Are you looking for to create Talkie on Talkie AI? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create one. First thing first, move into your application Talkie AI. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, head over to your profile. If not, you can click on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Well, you can see it says create my Talkie. You have to click on this option. Now, in order for you to create your Talkie AI, you have to fill up all of this information. You have to click on this icon to set the appearance. After that, select the voice. You can choose whichever from here and then click on Done at the bottom of the screen. After that, select the music background for your Talkie AI. You can choose any specific one of it. Once selected, now enter the name for your Talkie AI. Once you have entered, select the gender. Add the determine dialog effect. Also, you have to enter the introduction and the opening as well. Once done, click on Create Talkie at the bottom right corner. After that, your Talkie AI will be created and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.